Another expression now is 关心, 关心. So we have 关, which means close, but this in this case it actually doesn't mean to close as in something bad. It basically just implies that you care about something, because everything that you close yourself around is something that you care about. Everything that is outside you care less for. So this is what I care about the most. So 关 means to close, but it's actually very positive in this case. So 关心 is now a verb, and like I said, it means to care for someone. We don't have to say for, we can just say I care you. 我关心你. But remember, it's even easier in Chinese if you want to say I care about you very much. So then we don't need the very, or we don't need the about you, we just say I care you. And then to say very much, we just say very, but put it in the beginning. So it would sound something like I very care you. Very simple, very straightforward. If you can accept the idea that Chinese is straightforward, everything will be downhill from now on. Okay, so 我很关心你. I care very much about you. Or I care very much about them. 我很关心他们. Wonderful, wonderful. So they're wonderful people here, so please listen to what they have to say. These I think they're 3 people now. I can't tell you their names, but they're my Danish friends from China. Like I said, they're wonderful people, and they'll appear a lot in this course. So have a listen. I think it's the mom saying to her kids that she cares for them a lot. This is an example.
你在玩什么呀？啊，不要看那么多电话，眼睛坏。我很关心我的女儿。
Yes, 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 yes.
What? 告诉我。
暂时不告诉你，暂时不告诉你。
啊？
明天再告诉你，暂时不告诉你。Yes, yes, 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 yes.
Yes 什么呀？你说这样。